This documentary honors the courage, sacrifice, and heroism of Filipino and American soldiers who fought side by side during World War II, particularly in the historic Battle of Bataan and Corregidor in 1942. The film reminds us of how Filipino spirit of bravery and resilience is shown even the darkest moments of our nation's history. After the Japan attack, Philippines in December 1941, Filipino and American troops under General Douglas MacArthur defended the country. Despite being outnumbered and lacking supplies, they fought bravely in Bataan, delaying the Japanese advance. However, on April 9, 1942, Bataan fell and around 76,000 soldiers were captured. These prisoners were forced to walk about 100 kilometers from Maribeles, Bataan to Capas Tarlac, an event known as the Bataan Death March where thousands died from exhaustion, hunger, and brutality. After Bataan, the island fortress of Corregidor continued to resist until May 6, 1942, when it finally surrendered. These defeats marked one of the darkest times in the Philippine history, but also one of the most heroic. Heroism is not only about victory, but also about courage, sacrifice, and loyalty. The soldiers of Bataan and Corregidor fought not just a land, but for freedom and dignity. Their suffering and endurance symbolized the unbreakable Filipino spirit and the friendship between Filipinos and Americans. Number 1. Patriotism and unity or powerful Filipinos and Americans stood together despite invisible odds. Number 2. Freedom was a price. The sacrifice of the soldiers remind us that peace and liberty should never be taken for granted. Number 3. Resilience defines us. Even defeat, the spirit of Bataan become a symbol of hope and national pride. A legacy of heroes, history, Bataan and Corregidor is not just a story of war, but a story of honor, sacrifice, and national pride. It reminds us that the heroes of Bataan and Corregidor left a legacy that every Filipino should carry. The courage to defend our nation and the faith that even in defeat, there is glory in the standing firm for what is right.